Alright, welcome back to Plants and Projects. Today we're putting together a chicken coop. Got it from Wayfair, and we'll see how it goes. So these are all the pieces. Came in 2 separate boxes, and we'll see how it goes. One of the roof pieces came and it was damaged, looks like. So let's see what we do about that. I'm not sure. I might just be able to fix it, but anyway, here it is. It looks like it got hit or something on the way in. So we're trying to fix that. Alright, so here it is. Just want to go through a couple things that I discovered on this, but went together fairly easily. I'd be kind of careful with the details in the plans, make sure the orientation's right, how these things go in. They do have circles. Notice these purple circles here. That's where the accessories go on. Same deal up here. Purple circle there. So as you build it, you think about where the purple circles are. Does it make sense at the right place? This hinges up. This goes in here. This is the access that's open for. There's 3 perches on it, and there's another access point here. It goes in there as well. So anyway, that's how that works. Let's see what else was there. Otherwise, you know what? Well, we got it pretty well. Notice actually I reversed. I should have actually had these on this side. It was just an orientation issue. If I had just known better, I would have gotten it done. But otherwise, I was able to drill those pretty easily. Basically, I drilled those 2. I screwed those 2 first, placed this on here with the bracket, and then screwed those in. So it kind of sets sets that hardware. Anyway, that's it. I had some good helpers that helped along too. See, they've left some things here still, but anyway, hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for watching.